Good morning, everyone. My name is Nathan Clements. I am your active stock trader. I just wanted to start by showing y'all one of my monitors, how I look at several different charts at one time. In here, I've got 6 different charts. I've got FPay, NUGT, WEN, FLGT, ROKU, and EVER. A couple of these stocks I know a little bit about. Some of them I've just came across through scanning the market. And I didn't even trade all of these. I didn't trade FPay and I didn't trade FLGT. But let's go ahead and take a look at my recap for today. Alright, got it all set up. Sorry that took so long. So I took 16 orders today, or yeah, 16 orders, and all of them were in EVER, NUGT, ROKU, and WEN. Today I'm up $595, which is a skewed number. If you were watching me while I was trading live, when I took a trade on NUGT, let's go ahead and go to that real quick. I took a trade on NUGT here at 27.70, somewhere in there, but it really didn't fill the order until 27.64, you can see, and which was obviously the bottom here, and that took, gosh, there's probably 30 seconds that it was sitting there waiting for the order to fill. And so that's kind of an issue. I probably should have canceled it just because it didn't go automatically. I've had that happen a number of times in TD Ameritrade. Not sure why that happens. Anyway, it finally filled down here at the bottom where it shot up, and so I ended up losing a lot of money getting out over here at 28.23. But it took a couple more trades in it. My biggest gain was right here. This was my money spot. It hit this point up here at 28.20 range 1, 2, and 3 times. So when it started to reject that third time, I was like, okay, I think this is going to be a big rejection. So I decided to get in at 27.72, and it screamed down, which was really good, and something that I do for my trades. Whenever it does a big drop, I automatically come in here and I'll put a stop order above where the current price is at. So if it keeps dropping, I'll just grab my order and move down with it. But if I have it here at 27.63 and the price happens to shoot up there, then I'll get out and lock in the max amount of profits. I find that to be the best way to trade these stocks whenever they drop hard. Put in a stop above so you'll lock in profits if it happens to shoot back up. So that's what I did here. Locked in, obviously negative 45 bucks on this, but I was down like $800 at one point. So, and a lot of that loss was because of this big mess up over here. I don't know why it didn't fill right away. Should have made money here. Should have been up over $1,000 on this stock, but it is what it is. I brought it back to green. So that was NUGT. Let's look at my EVER trade real quick. I got in. I saw that it had come up most of the day, and then it kind of looks like it was leveling out and started to come down. So I was like, okay, I'll take a trade. 27.67, and then it fluctuated, was down a little bit of money, and then it shot down. So I was like, okay, I'm going to take my profits in there. Got out at 27.37, which honestly was pretty good as a low of that drop. So I capitalized on that trade really, really well. ROKU. I like trading ROKU. I can't get very many shares of it because it's a pretty expensive stock. But I think I was in it for 300 shares. Took one order on it, or one trade. Got in at 139.88. It drops to 139.18. I decide that's good enough for me. I'll get out, $210 profit. And if you look down, you can see how much the RSI, when I decide to get in, it's coming lower. The demands just got done with curling and then going lower. And the MACD is showing red. So a lot of good indicators that this was going to keep rejecting whenever I was looking to get in, and it did. Let's see. And my last trade on the day was a negative trade as well. Got in at 63, out at 70. Had I stayed in a little bit longer, I could have gotten out. for a 2 cent or so gain. But you win some, you lose some. On this one, I didn't trade the market super well, but I did see that the RSI was coming down, demand was coming way down, MACD was down. It just didn't go in my direction for me for this particular stock today. Anyway, that's my recap. 16 orders, 570 on one, negative 45 on one, 210 positive on one, and 140 negative on another, for a total of $595 profit today. And I only traded, my last order was taken at 9:01, so I traded for 31 minutes and 34 seconds today, and I was done. Made $595. I'll take that. My daily goal is $200, so it's more than double my daily goal, and that's really good. It's always good to hit your goal and exceed your goal, because some days you might not have a positive day. But so that's my recap. That's how I did today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below if you have a question. If you want to ask a question about any of these particular stocks that I chose to trade today, leave it down below. I'll respond and answer to every question that's asked. Other than that, I appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all have a good rest of your day. Thank you.